Hey guys, this is Chen with Friday's Fresh Market. I'm at our grow site today, and which is located on Hickory Grove Road in Davenport. Today I wanted to give you a quick introduction or maybe a quick walkthrough as we're doing our upgrades of our hydroponic system here at our grow site on Hickory Grove Road. So next I'm gonna switch the scene to our grow master as well as the owner of the company, Andrew, and let him to give you a brief description about what kind of upgrades we're doing and how that's gonna help our operation.
From Fridays here. Just wanted to show you, we're taking some time to make some improvements to our plumbing in our farm 2 today. This is where all of our lettuce is grown. And since we built this room, originally we had poly tubing on there. It's a pretty common method. You just run your irrigation in each of the NFT channels. So it just typically starts at about 1 inch size and then comes all the way down to 1/4 of an inch. So that eventually you have restriction issues with sediment that builds up in all of these connection points. So cleaning it was a little difficult. Having continuous and stable flow was a challenge. So we're getting rid of all the poly tubing. We're switching over to PVC, and then the only last 10 inches of the line, the feeder tube, will still be poly. But this will make it a lot better to have consistent water pressure throughout the system. Putting shutoff valves at the end of each line allows us to control the water going to each level, to each tower, shutting off a section at a time if we need to do maintenance on it. And over here, we used to make a big batch of nutrient water and then send it over to these smaller tanks underneath the towers. But we would see that these EC and pH levels were constantly fluctuating in the smaller tanks as the plants grew to a larger size. So we're going to skip that step, and we're just going to feed the plants straight out of the IBC. We pulled our pump out of the tank and mounted it on top so it's easier to observe and do maintenance on. And we're getting rid of the poly tubing, switching to PVC, which will allow for better pressure throughout the entire system. And with this, we'll build in some more filtration to catch all the sediment. But this is going to give us a healthier plant. We're going to have better yields with our lettuce, a healthier head of lettuce that can grow in this environment a lot better, and maybe even reduce the cycle time from seed to harvest. And it will certainly improve how much or how little nutrients it will actually need to add to the tank, because that will be balanced out. So some simple things, a little bit of improvements on the plumbing, and we have a lot of advantages that will come out of it.
So as you can see that at Fridays, we're always trying to make improvements, trying to, make things better and better. And of course, first place, and nobody can get it perfect. But throughout the time, we're always trying to do something different, to do something better, fine-tuning things so that we can keep improving the quality and make it more efficient of our operation system. So we'll see you next time when we have another update. Bye.